Have you ever created an amazing AI prompt and wish you could share it with the world? Or maybe you're looking for some inspiration for your next art creation. Let me show you my prompt gallery, the ultimate community for AI prompt creators. I created my prompt gallery as a community-driven platform where creators can share, discover, and rate AI prompts. It's completely free to use, has over 300 prompts and over 80 members to date, and growing every day. Whether you're using ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, MidJourney, Artistly, any of the LLMs and AI tools out there, this is a place to find and share your best work. Let's start with browsing the gallery. Here you can explore hundreds of AI-generated prompts from the community. Each prompt shows a beautiful image preview, the creator's name, and which tool was used, like Artistly, Gemini, or whether or not it was a challenge submission. There's different options up here that you can change your view, and each one of the cards also has various options. You can quickly copy the prompt, paste it into your favorite editor. If the prompt is yours, you can edit it. You can easily one-click share for others. You can also download a PDF, so you can use it as like a proof of work if you like, or to save it for later, maybe create a book or whatnot. You can also click on it to get more details for the prompt and the instructions, like what tool was used. One of my favorite features is the daily challenge. Every day there's a new theme, like today's is whimsical love letters, and you can submit a prompt based on that theme. It's a great way to push your creativity and see how others interpret the same concept. Can you see this countdown timer up here? That shows you when the next challenge is going to drop. You earn participation points for submitting, and you can see all the submissions from other community members down below. Sharing your prompts is super easy. You just click the Submit Prompt button, and you get this clean form right here. You can paste in your AI prompt text. You can select which LLM works for you, such as ChatGPT, MidJourney, Claude, etc. You can also put the instructions in here if you used a particular model or a particular style. And then from here, you can choose a file to upload, so you can upload an image to show kind of an example of what it might generate. And then you can choose whether or not you want it to be public or private. That allows you to make some of your prompts private if you don't want to share them, or you can definitely make them public and share with the world. Then you just click Submit Prompt, and then it will add it to the collection here. Now the platform has great community features as well. Each prompt has a like button in the top right corner that you can click on to upvote the prompts that inspire you the most. This helps other creators see what's resonating within the community. Also, you can also click on a creator's name if you want to see everything that creator has submitted. You can get inspired by their style, maybe check out some of their public prompts. You know, it's really a community of AI enthusiasts that help each other improve. You can actually follow a user and get notified anytime they go to post a new prompt. So that's a pretty cool social feature that is available as well. Now we have news and announcements. This is for new features, things that we release, etc. But we also have some guides. This is a brand new section, so we only have one guide so far, but there will be more to come. This one, for example, is how to generate AI images with perfect text using Google's Nano models. So these guides are going to be written by experienced community members, and they're going to cover everything from beginner tips to advanced techniques. Now, just a couple other features that you should be aware of. We do have the reporting option. You can report inappropriate content. You can also open up a prompt page. This is actually what gets linked to when you share to other users. And you can also see like more from this prompter, and then also some suggested prompts that you might also like. You can download the PDF or also share from this screen. Something else that you can do as well is you can filter by which LLM is used. So if, let's just say, you're an Artistly user, for example, then you can apply those filters right there. Whether you're a prompt engineering pro or just getting started with AI tools, my prompt gallery is the perfect place to share your work, get inspired, and connect with other creators. Head on over to mypromptgallery.com, the link is in the description, and start exploring. Submit your first prompt, participate in today's challenge, or just browse for inspiration. It's free, doesn't cost you anything. There's also an active Facebook community if you want to connect with other members beyond the platform. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more content on AI tools and creative tech. See you in the next one.